Hello, welcome back to our channel. If you're planning to simplify your online presence or no longer need Zoho services, then deleting your Zoho email account might be the right step for you. In this video, I'll guide you through the process so you can close your account quickly and safely without confusion. The first step is to log into your Zoho account at zoho.com using your email and password. Make sure you have access to the recovery email tied to your Zoho account, because you may need it to verify changes. Once you're logged in, head to the top right corner of the page and click on your profile icon. From the drop-down menu, select My Account. Think of this as your main dashboard where you can manage everything related to your Zoho profile. Next, navigate to Settings. This is the control center for your account, and you'll see several options here. For today's task, look for the option labeled Close Account. Click on it carefully and take a moment to think about any connected services or synced data that might be affected when you close your account. Now, Zoho will present you with two choices. The first is Close Only the Organization, which deletes organizational data but keeps your personal account active. The second option is Close Organization and Account, which permanently deletes everything tied to your Zoho account. If you want a full removal, choose the second option. But remember, this action is final and cannot be reversed. After you've decided which option is best for you, click Proceed to confirm. Zoho may ask for an extra verification step, and once confirmed, your account will be deleted. Take a moment to double check before hitting confirm, because once it's done, you won't be able to recover the account or the data. And that's it. By following these steps, you've successfully deleted your Zoho email account. If you face any issues along the way or need extra guidance, you can always reach out to Zoho's support team for help. Thanks for watching, and if you found this guide helpful, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe for more easy and practical tutorials.